Understanding the phrase, go jump in a lake. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an interesting English idiom, go jump in a lake. We'll explore what it means, how it's used, and some examples to help you understand this colorful expression. So, let's get started. Go jump in a lake is an idiomatic expression in English. It is used to tell someone in a somewhat rude or humorous way to go away or stop bothering you. It's important to note that this phrase is informal and should be used carefully, as it can be offensive. This idiom is similar to other expressions like, take a hike, or buzz off. The exact origin of go jump in a lake is unclear, but it's believed to have originated in the United States. The phrase likely came about as a less offensive alternative to telling someone to go away in a more harsh manner. The imagery of jumping into a lake suggests a harmless, albeit silly, action to get someone out of your hair. This phrase is used in casual settings and should not be used in formal or professional environments. It's often used among friends or in a light-hearted, joking manner. For example, if a friend is teasing you about something, you might playfully respond with, "Oh, go jump in a lake." Remember, the tone and context are key to ensuring the phrase is taken as a joke and not an insult. In response to teasing, if you keep making fun of my cooking, you can go jump in a lake. To dismiss a ridiculous suggestion, you think I should sell my car and ride a horse to work? Go jump in a lake. In a playful argument, you're saying pineapple belongs on pizza? Go jump in a lake. We hope this video helps you understand the phrase, go jump in a lake, and how it can be used in English conversation. Remember, it's a playful and informal expression, so use it wisely and in the right context. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.